If you are a YouTuber, if you are a photo editor, or if you have tried to remove background from the image, you know how it is hard when you're using Photoshop or any other complicated software. But this software, this one is very easy to use even for a beginner who doesn't know anything about editing pictures. This is a software that is web-based and you don't have to download anything. And what you do is just come to Remove.bg. It's not .com, it's Remove.bg, and you get this page, and on this page you can upload any image you want to remove background from. Let's upload an image. Let me pick this one, and you wait for a few seconds, and after a few seconds you can see the background has been removed. See, this is how it is. This is the new thing we have. We just have the hammer. You can do it on many pictures, and the best thing is that this one is free and you can use it as long as you want. But the problem is that when you use it for free, you just get the image which is not HD, but when you want HD image you have to pay for it, and it's not even expensive. Like one picture might be a few cents, not even up to $1, I guess. And if you want to upload any other image, to remove background on any other image, you can click here, see here, click here, and then choose another image. Let me choose this one. You wait for a few seconds, and here you have the image that do not have the background. This is the easiest way to do this on the internet. Another thing you can do with this software is they have another software, it belongs to them, that removes background from the video, and it is called unscreen.com. Unscreen.com, it's like this one for image, but the difference is that this one is for the video. And what it does, it takes the video and takes a few seconds, removes the background, and then make it a GIF image, which means doesn't have image sound. It's just the image that doesn't have the background. Let's try one, and we use this one. This is a video that I wait for a few seconds, and you can see it's being removed. The image is being removed. Can you believe it? Well, I couldn't at first, but now I do believe it. So if you've been trying to find a way to remove images, if you are making thumbnails on YouTube, if you are trying to edit product images, if you are trying to make flyers, this is the easiest way to do it. So try to use this Remove.bg. Tell me what you think of it. If you need to know anything about internet or some tricks, or you need to learn something, make sure to reach out to us. There is links in the description. And this is the first video in English, but we have been making videos for a long time in Kinyarwanda. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Please subscribe.